So today we're going to be doing a winterization of our Yamaha 2.5 horsepower that we picked up used. We don't think the previous owner had winterized it yet, so we're going to do it right now. So we've already warmed it up and we're getting ready to drain the oil. We're going to find the oil remover screw. Will be located under here, or right here, up in here. That's that a little better. Right up there. And you'll have to pull that screw out to drain the engine oil out. The fill point is inside, and we'll show you that later. So you'll need to take your trusty old 10mm socket, and that's the size that's going to fit inside of there. So you're going to want to use some small cup that will hold the appropriate amount of fluid as to not spill it everywhere. That's on there tight. Probably should wear gloves when you do this. But the oil actually looks really clean from the previous owner. So maybe they did. No, maybe not. Definitely should have worn gloves. I feel like an idiot. Ah! That's hot. I hope this cup's big enough. It's gonna be real awkward if it's not. Oh shit. Alright, so red Solo cup is perfect. And just let it drip out. This is exciting ground making filming right here, watching this drizzle out. Making sure not to cross thread it. Alright, Hannah, you can take that out of the way. And we'll button this up. And we'll torque it to, what was it, Hannah? 16 Newton? 18 Newton meters if you have a torque wrench. Unfortunately, I only have a large torque wrench, so we're going to go with a good wrist tight feel. Basically, just do it to as tight as it felt when you undid it. Alright, and that's that. And we'll now put the oil back in. Alright, to access the oil fill, we can pop the cover off. Pull that up. Slide it up and out of the way. Somehow. Question of the century. Or we'll just have Hannah come hold it. And right there is going to be your oil filled dipstick. So let's undo it. You'll see he's got a little dipstick on it there. Imagine it wants us between the lines, so we'll now refill it with oil. Our choice of a lube is actually going to be this Quicksilver 4-stroke synthetic marine engine oil. Actually, I don't even know if this is synthetic. Maybe it's not. But regardless, all the boat carriers near me didn't carry any Yamalube, so I just got something that was close, but not quite West Marine brand, because I imagine that's like buying Walmart oil. Alright, due to the difficult fill point on this outboard, we're going to use this 100cc syringe to fill 0.35 liters of oil into the engine. There's probably a better way to do this, but this is what I have, so this is what I'm going to use. Alright, that did that. We'll do the top one a little bit. Alright. And then once you do that, you put your coil up underneath it. Drop it down straight. Move this over so you can see it. That works too. Okay, let's focus it. Alright, let's sploosh it up in there. This is gonna be easy. It's literally just coming out at the bottom. This is stupid. How the hell am I supposed to? I'm like just wasting gear. Oh, there it is. Put it in. Put it in. Put it in. Film, film, film.
Yeah.
Bit of a design. Just to make sure that we still had plenty of fluid left into it, we squeezed more fluid through the top porthole and ensured that some of it came out to ensure that the complete gear case was full of oil. And once that's done, you can just cap it up and you're good to go. With the screws buttoned up on the gearbox, we can move forward to fogging the engine. Fogging the engines involves using spraying oil like CRC fogging oil, which involves you spraying oil into the carburetor. Doing this helps prevent corrosion inside the carburetor and inside of other internal engine parts, which keeps it ready to go for next season. Below the Yamaha 2.5 horsepower variant, you'll find a small rubber plug. This rubber plug can be removed so you have access to the carburetor inlet. The CRC has a small straw. You can just spray it up inside the carburetor. You'll want to keep spraying it and spraying it until it starts to smoke. At this point, you'll know that the fluid has made its way into the engine, and eventually you'll just want to spray it enough so that it kills the motor. You can do this for as long as you can, or approximately 10 or 15 seconds.
Nailed it.